In this tip, we'll see examples for in-place file editing with the awk command. The I option can be used to load libraries. In-place library comes by default with awk installation. Thus, you can use -i and in-place to modify original input itself. Let us look at an example. This is our input file. Let's say we want to retain only the first and third fields. Awk print $1, $3. This will give the output on the terminal. We can add -i in place to write back the changes to the input file itself. Let's verify. You can see changes have been made to the input file itself. Next, let us see an example where we will provide a backup extension. To consider this input file, let's remove all the extra spaces at the start and change the field separator to comma. So awk will set output field separator to comma, rearrange the fields and print the modified record. Now let's write back the changes to the input file itself. So I in place. We also want to create a backup. So we'll set a special variable in place suffix. Let's say .bkp. So this should write back the changes to the input file and the original contents should be saved to marks.txt.bkp. And let's verify that. So input file should be modified and original input should be in .bkp. Hope you enjoyed this tip.